everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ushabala. So today I create this pink color makeup look. So let's get started into the video. Okay, first of all I am using as a primer Fair and Lovely Fairness Cream. Apply evenly on your face and neck. Okay, next I am using this Maybelline Fit Me compact powder in the shade 222 and mix talcum powder, white tone talcum powder also on that. Okay, next mix together and apply on your face and neck also. Next I am using this Maybelline eyeshadow palette for my eyeshadows. I am using this pink color, dark pink color on that palette. Okay, now apply that color on your eyeshadows. This is baby pink makeup look, so I apply very lightly on eyeshadow. Next I am using this lipstick from LA 18. This is dark pink color. Next I am using that lipstick also my cheekbones for blushes. If you have any doubts, please comment it below. Next I am using this ADS eyebrow pencil on my eyebrows. Recently I uploaded eyebrow grooming at home video, so please check it and like my videos. Okay, next I am using this kajal from Itex. Please share my videos. Please subscribe my channel guys, hit the bell icon, never miss an update. I put a bindi on my brows middle So this is my makeup look, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please watch my all videos like that and subscribe to my channel, guys. Please. Bye. Keep smiling.